The torrential rainfall has caused widespread devastation in many parts of Uttarakhand. Going to Uttarkashi first, the heavy cloudburst caused landslide in two areas. It completely washed away the main national highway, and that also led to washing away of 9 laborers which were working in an under construction site. Out of them, bodies of 2 laborers have been recovered while the search is still on for 7 laborers. Then going to Chamoli, incidents were reported of landslide from Peopalkoti, Karnaprayag, Nandprayag and Tharali areas. Several areas have been blocked and the national highway is also not operational. The authorities are working with JCBs and Pokeland to clear the highway as soon as possible, but the heavy rainfall is again a hindrance in the operations and the relief operations as well. We would again request our viewers to refrain from going to the mountains and only travel whenever it is necessary. Otherwise, please avoid traveling to the mountains or have the information before leaving for your destinations in the hill regions, because it could be very dangerous. The rocks are falling, the mountains are caving in, and it could be life-threatening as well. Going to Bageshwar, Saryu and Gomti river are raging above the alarming level, and Alaknanda is also nearing the alarming level in Rudraprayag, Chamoli and Srinagar of Pauri district. It has also caused the Ganga river to rage near the alarming level in Haridwar and Rishikesh. Now, we all saw yesterday that police authorities and the administration were asking the people to leave the ghats because the water was gushing in and it was flowing at near the danger level in Haridwar and Rishikesh. The highways have been suspended, and due to which it compelled the administration to take decision to suspend the Char Dham Yatra for the next 24 hours. The deadline is going to be finished soon, and we'll have to see that whether the administration is going to extend the deadline of suspension of Char Dham Yatra, because the IMD has issued the red alert for today as well in Champawat, Dehradun, Tiri, Pauri, Uttarkashi, Rudraprayag, Nainital and Udham Singh Nagar districts. So the next 24 hours is going to be very crucial. SDMA, Weather Department and Uttarakhand government is monitoring the condition. This is Ankit Sharma for India Today, Dehradun.